Welcome back. As we mark Men's Health Month, there's a free community event this Saturday. We've got Counselor Brandon McKinney with us live in studio this morning. Thanks so much for being here, Brandon.
Thank you so much for having me.
Driving all the way from Kalamazoo to be live in studio with us. Why is it important that we have these conversations with men specifically about our health?
It's very important because, unfortunately, men tend to delay their health needs until it becomes an emergency, urgent, and so we want to just get in front of that and make it more accessible for men to get that care earlier on.
Absolutely, because we know a lot of times with certain conditions and diseases and illnesses, catching it early is key. And so if you are ignoring the signs, not getting those checkups, that can be an even bigger problem for you.
Absolutely. It can be a huge problem. And so we are trying to create this event that is a comfortable space so that men have that access point to understand what it looks like to take that first step and to be able to take some additional strong steps from there.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, tell us about your event. It's Men's Health Matters happening this weekend.
Yes, Men's Health Matters happening this weekend at the Urban Alliance in Kalamazoo from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. with breakfast served at 10:30 a.m. We'll have a number of vendors there, resource tables for the whole health of a man, not just physical and mental, but financial wellness, insurance resources. And so there will be a number of resources there. We'll be having a keynote address by the CEO of Bronson, Bill Manns. We'll be having a panel event where the audience members can ask specific questions to the panelists that they have. And we'll have a number of presentations as well on wellness, on prostate health, brain health, and mental health.
And I really like that you said that we're not just talking physical health and mental health, but finances and really all those things, I would say, play into your overall health, especially with men oftentimes seen as having to be the provider and the strong one in the family. And true or not, I'm sure that puts a lot of pressure on men, specifically all those things playing into their health. Would you say, Brandon?
Absolutely. And that's why this event is so important, because it's not just men's health for that specific man, but it's the health of that family, of the community. And so when that man is healthy, he's able to better support his family, better support his peers, his loved ones, his community overall.
Such a great point. So this is a free event. You already mentioned that hot breakfast. I know that's going to bring in a lot of people in itself. How can people show up?
Yes, it's a free event. Hot breakfast. There will be raffles for $100 gift cards. I think there'll be about 5 of those.
Nice.
So please just show up to the Urban Alliance on Saturday at 10:30 to get that hot breakfast, and then please stay for the whole event.
So you can just show up, or do you want people to register in advance?
We would love for people to register, but we're more looking forward to people just showing up. So we would love them to register, but as long as they come, learn something. I know they're going to learn at least one thing, and that's what we're most looking forward to and most proud of.
Yeah, I mean, oftentimes it's about just getting that conversation started. We talked earlier about this really sort of being a first step. There might be those free health screenings that are provided, but that's not going to be your, cure-all for any potential issues that you might have. That's going to be your first step to say, hey, here's what you should do next to make sure you are healthy and staying healthy.
Yes, that's going to be the first step. And then there's going to be a call to action. So there's going to be that expectation to let us know and to let yourself know what's that next step for you after you've taken this first step of being here, getting this information, getting this insight. What are you going to do next to support your health?
Now, who are you wanting to show up on Saturday? I saw earlier you all had mentioned men 18 and up. Are we looking really to have this conversation with adult men in the West Michigan area?
That is the focus, but the main focus is the entire community. And so it is open to everyone, and everyone knows at least one man, and they have men in their family.
So that's a great point.
So
people might be hearing this thinking, oh, this is just for men. If I'm not a man, I shouldn't plan on showing up Saturday. But you all want to have this conversation with everyone.
With everyone, yes, indeed. This is, we're stronger together. And so stronger as a community, so we want to see everyone there.
Yeah, you were making a great point that we all know a man, even if you aren't a man, right? So you can take the messages that you get on Saturday, take them home, make sure your brothers, your fathers, your grandfathers are taking care of themselves. Brandon, before we let you go, anything that we're leaving out about the important conversation of men's health or what you all are doing Saturday?
Again, I thank you for allowing me to be here. And I just encourage everyone to please show up. It's a great event. You're going to learn a great deal, and we can't wait to see you.
All right. Thanks so much, Brandon, for being with us this morning and wishing you all the best of luck on Saturday.
Thank you, Emily. I appreciate you.